Hey everyone, welcome to the channel. Today I'm going to show you exactly how to create your very own digital magazine using Canva step by step. Whether you're looking to share stories, build your brand, or just get creative with your content, you'll leave this video knowing how to produce a professional-looking magazine all on your own and all for free. So let's dive right in. First things first, you'll want to head over to Canva.com. If you haven't already, you'll need to set up a free account. Once you're logged in, you'll find yourself in Canva's main dashboard, which is kind of like a giant art studio that never sleeps. This is really your launchpad for any creative project, and in our case, it's where your magazine journey begins. Now look for the big Create a Design button. It's usually up in the top right corner. Give that a click. This is Canva's way of asking, hey, what do you want to make today? In the search bar that pops up, go ahead and type magazine. This is super important because Canva will bring up a whole suite of magazine-optimized layouts for you with perfect sizing and dimensions. It's like having the groundwork already done so you can focus on the fun, creative stuff. Next, scroll through the available magazine templates. You'll see a ton of options: modern, minimalist, colorful, elegant. There's really something for everyone here. Take your time and pick one that resonates with the vibe you want for your magazine. Don't worry if it's not a perfect fit from the start. Think of the template as your launchpad, not your destination. You can customize nearly everything about it in the next steps. When you've chosen your template, click on it and Canva will pull it right into the editor. Now comes the fun part, editing the details to fit your unique style and story. Every piece of text, each image, the colors, and even effects, these are all totally customizable. Start by updating the headlines and body text to match your magazine's topic. If it helps, imagine you're telling a story to a specific audience, maybe fashion fans, foodies, or photography lovers. Replace those placeholder images with your own photos or grab some from Canva's huge image library. You don't need to have design experience, just drag, drop, and click. Let's talk about how to make it look truly yours. Play with the colors and fonts so that they reflect your magazine's personality. Maybe you want a bold, energetic red for a music scene or a soft pastel vibe for a wellness issue. Don't forget about effects. Canva lets you add subtle shadows, transparencies, or fancy transitions. Little details like this can make your digital magazine feel polished and intentional. Take your time. This step can be a bit of a creative journey, so don't rush it, and don't stress if something doesn't look perfect on the first try. You can always undo, redo, and adjust as you go. Once everything looks just right and you're happy with your pages, it's time to save and share your masterpiece. Up in the top corner, you'll see the Share button. Click it, then choose Download. Here you can pick the best format for your magazine. I usually recommend PDF for digital magazines since this keeps everything looking crisp and is easy to share online or send to printers. And just like that, you've created your own digital magazine ready to share with the world. If you found this guide helpful, please give this video a thumbs up, leave a comment if you have any questions or want to share your magazine ideas, and don't forget to subscribe for more tutorials like this. Thanks for watching and happy designing.